What's up, you guys? It's your girl Anna, and of course you clicked on this video because you know your girl is here at it again with another review on one of those cheap as F Chinese wholesale clothing sites. And today we're looking at SHEIN, formerly known as SHEIN side. Now they're quite popular here on the YT, quite popular. Now I went on their website and I didn't get a lot of things, but I didn't spend a lot of money, and that's always the most important. I got like 3, 4, I think I got like probably 10 items less than $100. Isn't that good? I'm gonna be showing you guys shortly, but I just wanna tell you a little bit about the company first, so I know you guys are looking for me for advice, yes? So of course I'm gonna have links in the description where all the items. I will do that, along with coupon codes that you can get from retailmenot.com. You guys know I preach this every single video. Don't buy anything on the internet without going on retailmenot.com to get coupon codes. Also, don't forget to check out ebates.com where you can buy through them to get cashback on your purchases. Link in the description bar to sign up for that, guys. Don't snooze on Ebates, y'all. Now on SHEIN's website they have a barrage, like literally they have a shitload of things that you can look through. Household, they have clothing, they have shoes, they have jewelry, they have hats, they have watches, they like, girl, they have so many stuff. But what I did, I got, I think, some handbags, purses, and a few outfits that I'm gonna show you guys real quick, and I hope you guys love them. If you do, links in the description bar. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and press that like button.
Like I literally don't know where to start. I'm looking at it, but I literally don't know. I don't know.
Okay, so let's start off with accessories real quick. I got this cute little bag set here that you're gonna be seeing on the left or the right side of the screen. I don't know which one, girl, but it's on somewhere here on the screen. And this was for $14.39. This is what the bag looks like in real life. Now it came all crinkly. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to find a way to like I don't know. Something's gonna have to go on, but this is what it looks like. And this is the hardware, and it has no zips or clips. It has another inside bag that's detachable. Is it? Hold on a minute. Oh yeah, yeah, it's detachable. So you have to put all of your cushions, all of your stuff in here, where you have side pockets and organizing pockets, and then you zip it up, and then you can throw stuff that you don't care about anybody stealing in this section here. All in all, for $14, I think it's a really cute daytime bag, I guess. Guys, I'm gonna stop saying cute. When I was editing my runway video, I said cute like over 50 times, for real, for sure. So all in all, I would say that it's a good buy. Other than the crinks, it's pretty weighty. It's not A-class leather or anything, because you know it's faux leather, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. So if you're interested, link will be in the description bar below. Okay, so the next bag that I got, I'm gonna put it right here for you to see what it looks like on the listing, showing how much I got it for. I think it was probably under $9 thereabout, and this is what it looks like in real life, guys. I love it. I love it. It's so sturdy. Like, I'm not sure if it's real leather. Couldn't be, I don't think, but it's really damn close. Okay, like, I want you guys to feel it. Like, here, feel it, guys, feel it. It's so heavy for a small, cute bag, and this is how small it is. I wear it to work a lot, and I love the gold trimmings on it. The zipper is gold. This is what the inside look like. Has a compartment in the middle, has pockets here, and does it have another zip? Okay, no, it doesn't have another zip over on the other side, but it holds a lot of stuff, and the handles are just so sturdy. The strap itself, so sturdy. So sturdy, you guys, and it has the studs at the bottom as well if you want the back to stand up. So I got this little purse right here. This is what it looks like on the website for around $6. Yeah, and this is what it looks like in person. I was mucho branded disappointed in this item. I thought this was gonna be like a regular size purse that would be out to here, but no, it's a baby purse. but it matches the previous handbag that I showed you. So I'm just gonna have to work with it. It's really just something if you're gonna go on the road quickly. This cannot be my main purse. I don't know about you guys, because I have a lot of cards, and as you can see, it only has around 3 or 4 card sections here. And the Jamaican money, which is where I live, by the way, guys, cannot fit here. This is too short. I would have to fold it, and that's gonna be pretty annoying. So this is literally just a coin and card holding purse. And I think they did have it in various different colors. So if you're interested, link in the description bar below. Okay guys, so we are getting straight into the outfits. This is one of the tops that I want to show you. Really cute. Oh my god, I said I wouldn't use that word. It's a really attractive and fun. That's it. It's a really fun top, and it has watermelons on it. How adorable! Like when I saw it, I was like, yes, I gotta have it. Now it's not the thickest material, which is good for summer because it's hella hot here in Jamaica. So it's just a little crop top. This is what, oh my god, it flashed, you guys. Well, guess we're in a relationship now or something. Oh my god. Yeah, so it has a little tie right here. You can do a little something like that. What the back is looking like. And they have so many different ones. I think I saw one with like ice cream cones or icicles all over it, and I think I'm gonna get it. You might see another haul. So your girl also went and got herself a pair of jeans from SHEIN. And I'm gonna put what the listing was looking like right here as to what it looks like on the girl. And this was the disappointment of the haul, because I don't think this jeans is worth the money, for one. Also, it looks nothing like how it did on the model. Let me see if I can go back some more. You guys can assess it for yourself. It's a way lighter denim than what's on the model over here. Like, what's going on? And even with the distressing here, it's definitely not matching back to how it is on the model. Also, what the heck? What the heck is this? This is supposed to be a small, and they didn't have it in an extra small. I don't know. The measurements are whack, and the crotch area just looks a little weird. It's a nice. It would have been such a perfect high waist had it been not so, I don't even know the words, but I do not recommend getting this at all. It was really not matching back to what it was on the listing. Okay you guys, so this is the second outfit that I want to show you, and it is a bodysuit. Ooh, showing a hell of a lot of side boob. So if side boob is not your cup of tea or cup of coffee or latte or whatever, don't mess with this. Leave this one alone if your boobs aren't up for the heavens as well, because, well, I'm not sure which bra you could wear with this either, but how freaking cute. I just wish that the material was a little less stretchy. It is really, really stretchy. It's not see-through, but because it is so stretchy, I think it's not giving you much support, because if your breasts were like dropped, this would be a problem, because it's very loosey goosey. These are the pants with the pockets, and it goes, I'm 4'11" by the way, so if you're a tall girl, this is not gonna fit you well, because I think it's supposed to be somewhat high-waisted. But yeah, really cute for $8. Sorry, not cute. I really like it for $8. Okay you guys, so for nighttime wear, you know, when it's a little bit more chilly, because this can't be worn in the daytime when sun is blazing, because it's so thick a material. But I had to cop this because I love the little cutout thing that's going on right here, and it was for only $4 and change, and this is actually a size medium, you guys. So please be mindful when you are buying from SHEIN to look at the size chart, because girl, I was gonna buy a small. Girl, had I buy a small, if I had bought a small, I don't know how it fit into this, but you know, you guys like it. If you like it, press that like button. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. You guys, this is my favorite piece. I want you guys to look at this bodysuit. This bodysuit. Look at the detailing of this bodysuit. Damn. And if you find this annoying, like I do, I'll just do that. Yeah, I'll just do that. If you find it annoying. But bro, if you have fake nails, these two button situations around here, yeah, they gonna be a problem. Because I could not do this, so you'll need assistance in this general area. Now, this is not a thong bodysuit either, and I unfortunately messed up so badly with the sizing because I went ahead and I got this in a medium. I don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to play it safe just to ensure that if the small came and it was too tight, I would have a problem. But I am gonna have to go and probably reorder this in a small because I'm not feeling that bodysuit type of fit that where it's supposed to like cling to your body, especially the girls. They're not clinging. So I'm not getting much of a lift or anything in the booby area. But this bodysuit is fire. Quality is A1. I was so surprised, SHEIN. I was so shook with this bodysuit. The only thing that would make it perfect is if it had a thong situation, but I do realize that most of their bodysuits don't have a thong cut at the back. So panty lines, girl, panty lines. So I got these pants. Right here. So summery, but they're so long. SHEIN, you're not catering for the persons like me who are 4'11". I'm gonna have to get them taken up, but with the bodysuit, girl. These were for $12 and I got them in a extra small. Unfortunately, I don't think they do much for the booty. I think they could be a little bit tighter at this section so that you'll have that bodonk that I've been talking about, that boom. Do you guys know that half a circle? Yeah, it doesn't do that at all. This is me from the back. And again, this was the extra small, so you can have an idea of how to buy for yourself, because I am a tiny girl. I'm usually a size 3 in pants. I'll see you guys real quickly before I go. I also got this cardigan, beach cover slash robe slash all type of things. You guys may have seen me in it on Instagram. I'll put the post right here as to what I look like in it. And as I said, this one is in a extra small and it was for $9.06. And this is a close-up. It's a really nice material, not too hot of a material to wear for summer. So there you go. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this SHEIN show and tell slash haul slash review. Hit me up in the description section to check out all of the links that I mentioned in this video. eBates, the link to the SHEIN clothes, the link to Retail Me Not, and also leave a comment in the comment section telling me which one of these outfits, piece of this, tell me which one was your favorite in the comment section. Let's chat it up, okay? And until next time, you know your girl loves you. I would appreciate it so much if you enjoy my video and you watch all of my other videos. When you're not subscribed, why not hit that subscribe button to be a part of my family, hit that like button, and until next time,